Hello, today's topic is going to be very interesting, and the topic is it really necessary to be grammatically correct every time while talking or speaking in English? See, I had this confusion before, like a long back, and I have overcome it. Now I want you people to, just ignore this. If you want the fluency and if you want that confidence, just ignore it. Those who speak fluent in English doesn't mean that they are always grammatically correct. First thing. Second thing, you don't need to be expert in grammar while talking or speaking in English. See, grammar is something which is absorbed by us. Even though who is born with English as their mother tongue, what do you think? They don't do mistakes? Of course they do. But because of their surroundings, their environment, and they keep listening same language every time, their brain absorb it. That's why they are able to speak it that way. So you will also. So, you will learn grammar eventually, so don't get bothered by it all. Okay, just speak, just try to speak. Apart from this, the amazing part of speaking in English is, like, it works from top to bottom. This is how its structure is made. Let me explain you. Top to bottom, it means that in top, you have to keep in your mind that you have to talk in English. Okay, whether it is broken, unbroken, just start. Stepping downward, by yourself only you will learn to frame a sentence, by yourself only. And then again stepping down, you will work on your vocabulary. Words will start coming by itself, and then again stepping downward, it is all about grammar. You will also learn that thing, so don't worry. Yeah, my message is popping up. Okay, so yeah, where I was. So it was, when all these 4 steps come together and start taking shape, once you initiate speaking in English. Got it? Apart from this, always welcome mistakes. Those person, your friends or relatives, try to rectify it, just accept. Don't worry, you don't need to get demoralized or to lose the confidence. Just whatever the rectifications they are trying to make it, just accept and say thank you, but keep on speaking. In fact, see, you can understand this way, that at least that person is better than if you would have made mistakes to some others who have laughed on you. What about your confidence then? You would have lost it. But so that person is better, anyway. So accept it. But yes, here there is rule. Don't allow too much corrections from anyone. Some way, at some point, you will come, your brain will say that, okay, the coming sentence that I'm going to speak, whether it is correct or it is going to be wrong. So don't allow too much corrections, ignore it, and you are the best motivator and you are your own critics. You will be your own critics. Leave everyone, start talking, start with broken sentences, no matter what. Start it.